honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Makeup Monday, and I'm going to do a quick no makeup look. Makeup. Okay, starting with my No Problem Primer. It's by Touch and Soul. And that's how my skin looks, y'all. I got moles, freckles, acne, everything. So I have to work with what I got. I've already washed my face and put on my acne medication on my nose and my chin and my hyaluronic acid serum on my cheeks and my neck. That's to retain the moisture. I'm going to try to pack my skin instead of rubbing it too much. I ain't got no wrinkles because I'm nice and plump and I don't want any by rubbing and tugging on my skin. Okay. I'm going to put on, okay, I was going to use this Revlon Color Stay foundation, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to use my Soft Focus finishing powder by Black Radiance, and I have it in the creamy bronze finish. I ain't putting on no concealer, no nothing. What else do I need? Nothing. Okay. I'm using this red sponge like my mama used to use. Could have used my big fluffy brush or a kabuki brush. My daughter's getting ready to come over, bring the baby. So I'm going to wipe most of this makeup off so I don't get it all on the baby when I kiss him. Kiss under that fat neck. Okay. Under the eyes don't look so bad. Okay. I'm going to put on a little blush. Oh, this is what I use. The Starry Triple Blush Palette. Looks like that. Need some color to this face, y'all. Do I want on my eyes? Yes. This is quick. A little bit under here. That's good. Let me put on this lip balm. Putting on a Merlot lipstick by the Lip Bar. It looks really, really dark. I'm putting a lighter color on top of it. I don't know where this came from. That's good. This is by Amuse Cosmetics, and I can't see what color it is. The writing is too little. Okay. That part of my face looks okay. I need some more color to my eyes. I'm gonna use this I got from, I think, some kind of subscription box. It's Okaland 16 color shadow palette. It has these colors. I'm just gonna darken the corner. I like doing that. I'm using this color. That's good. I want some on the brow bone. Clean off this brush. I'm using the same brush. Use this color. It's light. I forgot what color I said I was using. So I don't need too many colors. But the same color? I don't know. That's good. And I'm going to blend the colors, starting with that, and then, okay, I'm putting on some liner. I'm using the dough color liner. This also has a wing stamp at one end and liner at the other end, and I store it laying down. Okay, I need close up for this. That's good. I'm supposed to put on some lashes. I had a special request by Lynette Longmire to put on some lashes, but I'm not doing all that today. But we'll put on some mascara. Ouch. I'm leaving the bloopers in here, y'all. See, I got this up under here. I'm going to wait till it dries, then I'll wipe it off. And I'm using the Dare to Extend Ultimate Lash Extension Mascara by Hard Candy. It looks like this. I think it costs $8. And it's really good. I'm just putting on one coat on each eye. That's good. What else I need? Eyebrows. Didn't bring my spoolie in here. Try to brush these brows up. I'm gonna use the eyebrow stamp. This is by 3 Second Brow. I've had this a long time. when the eyebrow stamps first came out, we have a stamp for the right and the left eyebrow. You just open this up. It has a mirror. Comes with taupe colored stuff to stamp on. You have to practice. I always start with the end of the eyebrow. See the tail of the eyebrow? And then just stamp it. Don't move it around, just stamp it. Okay, so now I have to use the other stamp for the other brow. Like I said, start at the end of the eyebrow. And just stamp it. Don't smudge it around. And as good as she gets. Close this up. What else I need? I think that's it. Is that all? Okay, I'm through. Oh no, I ain't. I'm gonna use this sugar eyeliner. It's green. I always put this on, no matter what color eyeshadow I have on. I go just outside the waterline. Okay. And I'm going to wipe off this dried mascara. I think it's dried enough. If it ain't dried, it just smudge. And use this. Okay, I'm good. Okay, y'all. This is my makeup, no makeup look, makeup. So, I didn't use no liquid foundation. I used my Soft Focus finishing powder. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Be blessed.